Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Windy day. So this week we are doing a little section of a driveway, a small front porch, a big back patio. Stick around for the excavation, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Season's coming to an end, but it's still warm. We still don't need blankets. See you then, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. There it is, guys. Front porch went well. Driveway came out good. So far, so good. Haven't had any surprises. Weather's still looking good. It's been awfully windy. Back porch is good to go. Customer left this open for access to utilities. We have a sleeve under here so they can run new sprinkler lines. We extended out that weird little lip under the threshold because it was all messed up. We were originally going to go here, but the customer wanted to come out to like here. We went a little bit further than what they asked because they wanted this little round outcrop area. But there it is, guys. Thanks for sticking around. We'll be pouring tomorrow morning. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.
No, Enrique.
All right, guys, there it is. Front porch, driveway section, back patio. We poured them at 7:30 in the morning. They came out really, really nice. For some reason, concrete's taking a minute to cure, so it's already 12 and we're about to leave. Usually we leave about an hour sooner. I mean, the nights are getting a little cool. The water in the trucks is cold, so, but either way, it came out really, really nice. We continued our joint off the sidewalk, divided this a little differently too. Corner, one on side of each, one on each side of those lip, I guess, if you want to call it. And then we divided it here. But there it is, guys. Immediately after this, we're gonna start a big set of steps since we're gonna take advantage of the weather. But don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, guys. See you then. Bye-bye.